right, we're ready when you are.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Woo!
Dun dun dun.
Should I put more in it?
Yes. Oh,
No.
beautiful.
That's so nice. There's like a whole bunch of white at the bottom from where it's not like
Yeah,
getting all
it's
the way down.
the liquid. You'd have to shake it or stir it.
I was about to shake it, but I can't do that.
If we had a glass stir rod with us, we could
No.
poke it a little bit.
Wait, why can't you shake it?